At half of the press. Well, my people, me here for drop the real news, news, reviews, everything in a one right this or right there, my people. So all I want to know to do is like up the video, share out the video, subscribe to my channel, my people. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Let's get right into it.
A corrupt government cannot liberate the people. If the head of the stream is corrupt, the entire river will be also.
A blessed good day to you, my wisdom warriors. Wagwan, wagwan. I hope you guys are in good spirit. Well, my people, me see a video circulating, and I'm telling you, I'm really concerned. Take a look at this. My people, wanna see what is going on? A chicken, the people, them a take out, out of the container, This container, ship, in the water, in the sea water, and the people, them a take out the chicken, them for go home and cook it. Mighty God of Daniel, look how them a laugh. Hey, whole heap of people hungry still, There's a lot of people out there can't even find money for buy 1 pound of chicken. Serious thing, me I tell you, my people. Serious thing. One might have say, boy, and Jamaican people go on so hype. Don't watch the hype. Jamaican people always hype. But enough of them hungry behind the hypeness. Enough of them, you see there, hungry behind the hypeness. The Ministry of Agriculture is urging members of the public against consuming, selling, or distributing chicken products that wash ashore in a shipping container. Listen good in Jamaica. Listen good. The Ministry of Agriculture is urging members of the public against consuming, selling, or distributing chicken products that wash ashore in a shipping container along the H.E.A.D coastline in St. Catherine. The container washed ashore on Thursday, April 3. The Agriculture Minister says the chicken labeled under the Brazilian brand Perdix was not intended for the Jamaican market. Hey. Mighty God of Daniel, my people, we are going to get a little bit deeper in this. Opposition spokesman on health, Dr. Alfred Dawes, is urging the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries, the Ministry of Commerce, and the police to take swift action to seize and safely dispose of chicken products from the wrecked shipping container that washed ashore in H.E.A.D, St. Catherine. Dawes says action is urgently needed to prevent further risk to the public health. Them now go out there go do nothing. Dr. Dawes says there are several critical health concerns surrounding the chicken and urge the public not to consume or sell the meat. Safely dispose of it, as eating or distributing it could lead to widespread illness. Una hear them something, my people? He is also encouraging persons to be vigilant when making purchases and to ask questions. Hey, you know, said this not sound good to me, my wisdom warriors. Something, Something not right about this. Something is totally not right about this. My people, let's continue. Dr. Dawes says action is urgently needed to prevent further risk to public health. Video circulating online shows several individuals helping themselves to chicken from the container which washed up on the beach on Thursday. Dawes says he is deeply concerned. While it may be tempting as an opportunity to get free food, I strongly urge Jamaicans to exercise extreme caution and refrain from consuming or distributing any of the chicken recovered from this container. Jamaican people, una never listen yet. Not until una see somebody dead, then una will listen. Una never listen. My wisdom warriors, I see the labor right them come underneath it. And if you hear the way how them a behave, this man is a medical doctor. This man, Dr. Dawes, is also a surgeon. If you never know that. And this man come out and explain something to you. And you lab rats. You look a waste of time lab rats in the comment section. I chat off on the mouth. Jesus, I don't know. I really don't understand this. The man come out and the man attack. The man is a real doctor, The man is a real doctor. And I like for phone a doctorate business. A real doctor this. And the man explain something to you. You not even know when the container last I see. You don't even know. Me don't understand you know. So when I try to tell me say, when it smell good, that means say good for them. Hey, my wisdom warriors, let's continue. Individuals who may have taken any of the products are strongly advised not to consume or feed it to animals and should immediately contact their local public health department for guidance on safe disposal. The public is also urged to report any instances of sale or distribution of these products to the relevant authorities. To the individuals who remove boxes of chicken from container, please do not consume or sell this meat. Safely dispose of it, as eating or distributing it could lead to widespread illness. To the general public, be vigilant. If you are purchasing chicken from street vendors or food establishment, ask questions. Ensure the source of the meat is reputable, and if in doubt, do not consume it. To food business operators and vendors, selling or preparing meals with chicken of unknown and unverified origin is not only unethical, it is dangerous and could result in public health violations or prosecution. I hope you not listen, you know. I hope you not listen. Jamaica, do the right thing. Do the right thing. You understand? And uno big woman and big man, we run gun, but gonna take up chicken and a skin off on the 28 and 29. I hope you dash it away. I hope you not eat it. But anyway, my people, I see some of the lab rats them out for Dr. Daz. I see some of the lab rats them come out and take set pan Dr. Daz after Dr. Daz has try save them sorry ass. After the man out there try save them sorry ass. Like they take this thing for joke. Seriously. Mighty God, just look at this. This lab rats now, we call ourselves Cadnoy, is saying to Dr. Daz, people out there that need it badly, sir. Once it is frozen and safe to consume, let them eat it. Me PNP massive. I'm a well-thinking Jamaican. Me Jamaican people. Me not talk to the lab rats them. Lab rats them can't go name it. Cause it come like we don't hear what them name. Lab rats. Make them name it. Rat name everything. Make them go name it. Me people, seriously. Wanna hear what this a girl say? Wanna hear what this a girl say? Mighty God. Then terribly, you know? Me have to laugh. Me have God know. Me have to take bad things and make joke. No man. Me know say the labor right then done, you know. And they fool. They fool them fool. But me never know say they boy, me never me people. God know me speechless. Me speechless. Me can't believe say in a 2025. In a 2025 people are talk like this right now. And in a done this, you know, I don't want to hear the rest. This person named Kareem Appleton said, Glean are trying their hardest to push these PNP candidates. I care zero about their opinion. Can you imagine? Can you imagine? My wisdom warriors, our doctor, our medical doctor by profession, not for doctorate Christopher Tufton, we never give an injection yet in him life. We are a real doctor. Come out and warn the people them. Uno no know uno not even know which part that the chicken they come from. Uno don't have a clue. Uno don't have a clue. You understand? And when I see the lab rats them come out and attack PNP, me I show them up in on me people, because I want to know sister they not have no sense in man. So when me talk over here and call them dunce and idiot and fool and stupid. Yeah? Boy, all me feel shame. Jesus mercy. This person named Swaby Everbless. We care zero. We eat chicken from yesterday. So me know all is well. So them can stay. PNP all una try. Una can't win. So go one side. Hey, me have to really laugh, you know. Me have to really laugh. Me have to really laugh. And you see the worst thing? Them people here could as all not live in a Jamaica. All this person, so be ever blessed. And when she has said them something here, I could as all lie she a tell. I could as all lie she a tell. You understand? It is really sad, you know. It is really sad and embarrassing and shameful when the lab rats them out and chatting shit and make other people from different countries looking down on us. It is really a disgrace. You see, them duns though? So when me I call them duns and idiot and fool and me I diss them, you don't stop me. Love me make me diss the idiot them. Cause them duns, they lack of knowledge. If the man a medical doctor, currently the man is a doctor and the man a come and a explain everything to Uno. And Uno go on like Uno know it all. Uno labrats go and go eat it. Uno go and go eat it. My wisdom warriors, the government have to warn people not to consume or sell the chicken because they weren't meant for the Jamaican market. They are likely indicating that the chicken may not meet local health and safety standards. It could have been improperly handled, stored, or transported, which poses a risk of foodborne illnesses. And this is what the little dunceness them not understand. This is what the dunceness them, they don't get and they don't understand. And you see me now, you see, from this what me see and the way how them operate, from now on, moving forward, me go ignore the lab rats them. Cause me come to realization that something is really wrong with them. They are so die-hearted, they're willing to eat that chicken and die. Uno near me. Would am better for we. Uno near it. Uno lab rats. Uno go and go near it. Mighty God. My wisdom warriors, uno tell me what to think about this. Cause I really don't understand. I really don't understand. Me see somebody put out and say how everything them a get the government in her. And me I say everything them a get the government in her. The man have all right to call on the authority. What did he do? He didn't do anything wrong. He is following protocol. But because on a little dunceness, you know, we're going like on an intelligent out here and bright and know everything because on a can speak is spooky. Like literally. On just out here and make a fool out of yourself and embarrass Jamaican people every single day. Every single day. On out here and embarrass us. We are the laughing stock worldwide, if you never know that. Yes, we are, because of these stupid people who are around the country and these stupid supporters where they're behind Andrew Wellness. You need to get a life. You really and truly need to get a life.
We're here this afternoon in the Warwick area. Just hold here.
Yeah, man. Goes to Spanish Town Road.
I'm with Mr. Newton Clark, and this is one of the areas that he plants in. If you look how rich the soil is here, it makes you pain to know all the other areas that have been mined out by bauxite and will never be good for agriculture. Without any rainfall since January, this is the lovely crop of cabbage that has been produced. And he has a nursery for tomatoes and watermelons, which will be planted in another patch. The potential for agriculture in these rich lands are virtually unlimited. What we need to do is to get some irrigation system up here so that they don't have to draw water, because it's very expensive when you don't have rain. But if even under these conditions, the farmers of Warwick are producing like this, just imagine the potential. You want to say anything? Really? yeah, you're shy. Not really shy, you know, but you say it already, you say it all already. All right.
Me tell you a long time, say from Mr. Vegas, go catch him woman again bun pan camera. Mr. Vegas son need that. He licking chip. Mr. Vegas is one big old fool. He licking chip. You know, he sing all in a church and have to run him out of church. Be a demon, he go in a church, he don't have to use holy water.
Big fool him ton. Big fool him ton, me boy. Me agree with you. Me say my wisdom warriors, as me about for laugh, you know, man. As me about for laugh when he said them have to use the holy water, it cut off. Mighty God. Me have to go find him, you know, and play him more a while. Taking this.
Labor right. Asking something right as a no on a platform. All labor rights. All labor right. Included your prime minister. Never ask him something. I'm now look behind me. In 1976, when I formed the military coup against Michael Manley. Who did I fight against Michael Manley? 1976. Which party was the opposition party? Who tried to assassinate him 3 times and failed? What them do after that? The food in the use for try lock down upon the people them. Suffer the people them to get the man out. What Michael Mann did that do to the country? I build the country and US fight against the man. Now who come labor right? With the dirty mind party, the old curb party, will stop every growth from 76 till now. Every time growth coming to Jamaica, no mash you up and come and chat. Because I labor right. Not true. One is the worst thing Jamaica ever see. You understand? That 2 finger and that bell are the worst thing Jamaica ever seen in the whole history. Uno are the downfall to Jamaica. Uno are the worst set of mortgage ever coming to Jamaica. Go check Farrakhan. Farrakhan not tell lie. Farrakhan tell truth. And anyone who say Farrakhan tell lie, you deserve to put in a hell. I deserve to chew off in a sea and drown. You to lie and corrupt Labour Right Party.
Me boy, me say if me see you right now, me shake your hand. The blouse and skirt. I want the blouse and skirt you said to me. Me say then for John, go down, way down past the bottom of the sea. Me say, if me see you right now, youth, me shake your hand. Me wisdom warriors. You see, when you know the truth, you know, and you have the other side come out and a lie, you know, it hurt you know. May I tell you, enough time me get grieve, you know, man. Enough time me get grieve. Just for the way how them attack. And the whole of the labrats them, every single one of them, know what Jamaica Labour Party capable of. Simple as I see them there and hear them attack and I go on like them intelligent. They know what the Jamaica Labour Party is capable of. The whole of them know and then come out here and come go on like them as somebody. Anybody will support Jamaica Labour Party. Anyone of Uno is the same as Uno leader. Uno leader is a thief. Let me tell you that straight. Uno leader is a liar. Uno leader is a corrupted man. Uno leader is an aggressive, arrogant man. And Uno leader do not follow laws. He's a lawbreaker. And you see, for all that reason, he needs to go. And Uno same one stay just like Uno leader. This is why Uno out every day I praise and worship him and call him God. This is why Uno out talk about bro God, Uno God, Uno God, Uno God this, Uno God that. You see, Uno bro God, a fool and he's a coward. Uno say, Uno lead pan the poll. Call the election, no? Call the election if Uno think Uno bad. Every day Uno out here run off Uno mouth. Every day. Call the election. Since as Uno big bad and bold, call the election. Uno know so Uno not lead nowhere. Uno know that. A PNP time now. Whether Uno like it, yes or no. Anyway, my people, taking this.
Of course, Mark Golin got to do a better job and he's going to do a better job. Look at the man's history. Look at the man taking his father's footstep. Mr. Golden father was a beautiful man with good integrity and good heart for the Jamaican people. He founded the Polo. He founded Polo. You understand? And he died, leave millions of dollars to take care of the people at Polo. Even though he knew he was dying, he didn't die and leave and say, you know what, I don't care about them. He leave millions of dollars to take care of the people in Polo. So Mr. Golden is coming from a father.
And the rehabilitation center in Jamaica
is coming from a father that cares and loves the Jamaican people.
And
I'm sure he's going to do better and way better. Did you not see that only try to thief all the man?
No found where the physio or a surgeon Golden in a go. No found.
This is what Andrew tried to do. Now look at this. Christopher Tough Times.
If ungrateful was a person, that is the Jamaica Labour Party. But guess what? We are taking out right now. We are taking out a house of parliament.
Billions.
We don't want no Jamaica Labour Party government
Country
ever again in Jamaica.
Have a $1 trillion estate.
Me glad all the 15th of September so come. Me can't wait. I'm so excited.
Me can't wait. Come declare nothing.
Me cannot wait. Me don't mind they call the election and Andrew Wallace, but me know say you just put it off. Because you know say you're not safe, so you wait till it's safe for you now. Then you go tell the Governor General to call the election. All the Governor General I want next one, you know.
Criminality.
You see all the Governor General.
Look what
easy old man. You know easy enough. The man go sign off and put more parish. Can you imagine? Go sign off and put more parish.
Going to jail and
they break the constitution. You always want to know about the Governor General. Governor General. Remember say the Governor General only overseas Jamaica, you know. He don't care about we. He don't care about we.
Poor people don't have any money.
He don't care about we. The whole of them are the same.
We always be the ones that are suffering.
The whole of them are the same. Remember, say Andrew
Wellness is the one that mash up the country.
He's supposed to do. That's why no one let go from the Privy Council.
Okay, they are the one that destroy the country and destroy the people. Mr. Wellness was going to build poor and vulnerable Jamaicans.
Right.
70,000
we have been saying this from a long time.
70,000 houses.
We have been saying it for a very long time. So when I realize that the elites them now, I support Andrew Wellness. We the people have to unite now.
100 people supposed to get house.
He might get only for support.
And then poor people now sit down waiting for the next 500 years. Tell themselves that they're going to get one of those houses. That will never happen. So they make sure they build a few to show people that here we are.
Honest opinion in the comment section. Like the video, share it out, and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, welcome. Big up on the nice
70,000 houses. And the last time I checked, it was 8,000 and change. You understand? Where's the 70,000 houses? Now the houses that should be poor relief houses that people should have gotten for free and people can inherit them. They come in with this social program thing where they come and they take your damn land, build house on it, and give to people who need. And then if that person pass away, you can inherit that house. It goes right back to KSSMC. And people still coming out here defending it, say it is not like that. Desmond Mackenzie came out and tell the people, say, listen, come with proper documentation with your land and everything that we can put a house there. And then you'll get a house. And he also let us know that if you pass, the house is going back to the government and you are still out here defending him. But let me tell you something. Without poor people and dunce people, you all can't prosper, you all can't reach, because guess what, if we get bright and smart, the thing change. So you want to make sure that the people are done so they don't know what's going on. It's poor people facing it and feeling it. Andrew Holness is the one that mashing up the country. The Labour right, them don't want him. They said that he should have resigned from he get the leave to continue court. But this man held on to power. A droning man holding on to straw because of the secrets. Okay, so Andrew Holness is the one that messed up our country. When he signed the Samoa agreement, he messed up our freaking country. Because I'm sure a lot of Jamaicans do not know what the Samoa agreement meant. Mr. Holness sit down one side when I thought that gay was something that you feel in your blood and you want to be gay, you feel to be gay, which I'm not against. This man take money to come and taught it. I did not know that to be gay was taught. I thought it's a feelings. And he take money to come indoctrinate gay life in our young kids' mind, which children don't have the idea if they want to go left and right until they reach certain age. He's the one that destroying our country. The fake promises that he put to the Jamaican people and have us suffering, raising H.E.A.D and Governor General pay to 300% and 250%, but still he put $1,000 and vulnerable Jamaicans that have to wake up out bed 5:30, 4:30 sometime to catch bus to reach work on time. Okay? $1,000 they can't go supermarket. Why you think he can't fight against the Chinese? Because if poor people don't have the Chinese wholesale them to go hungry, kill them. If they don't have Chinese wholesale to go hungry, kill them. You understand? You think you can walk into supermarket with $5,000? No. But you can walk in the Chinese wholesale with $5,000 and get a fake, 1 dozen fake egg. Three fake macaroni and cheese. 6 fake bag soup. And this is why we're so sick, because of the things that we're eating, the fake things. So he can't fight against the Chinese, because if he fight against the Chinese, Jamaican people who vulnerable and poor like myself die for freaking hungry. But I realize that y'all cannot be pleased. When I came out here with my pretty accent and I talking like that, oh, you're a Jamaican, come out to Jamaica people business. I cut that crap out. Patois English, oh, stop your patois English, nobody not understand you. Now me come with the raw patois and still have a problem. Let me tell you something. We didn't form a battalion and fought a fight for freedom from slavery for nothing. People was fierce and people didn't care. And most of those people that fought the horrible fight weren't around when freedom come by. So my Savior, I leave Jehovah God to protect me and guide me through the journey of talking for the people who can't talk for themselves. You hear that? I can wake up and drink a cup of tea in the morning and then TikTok you're talking. You understand? Today is Saturday, you still have people gone to work, for work like overtime. So you don't come with your bull crap, come talk about mashing up no country. And your oldness wreck the country. He wreck the country, he wreck the people. And this is what you all try to do when people come out here and try to send a message to the people. You all come and let people look like they're doing something wrong. Look how we fight down reggae music in COVID after use them campaign. Look how we fight down reggae music. You understand? They're not fighting down YouTube and they're not fighting down certain kind of things that the youths them learning from. But they're fighting radio music. The message always go through the music, and that is how inner city people get the message through the music. And Andrew do nothing than try to fight that out. He's the one messing up the country. Not me. You're out of order. You should apologize to me. Huh? Messing up what country? Mr. Golden will do a brilliant job. Just look at where the man coming from. Look at the man roots. You know where Polo is? Do you know where the Polo is in Papine? Go and look at Polo. That is the doings of Mr. Golden's father. You understand? So even though his father is not around, you know where Golden, the name of Golden Avenue comes from? Huh? Look in Papine, if you see one place up there, they're talking about the Billing Road and they're doing all kind of things. You don't see one place for the handicaps. Huh? They don't care about handicaps. They don't care about people. All Andrew Honest care about is himself and his family. You don't see him kids rich. His sister rich. His wife rich. And he's rich. And Jamaica people are suffering. Today is Saturday and they look at pay $16,000 that the people they get. Yesterday, or they look at $15,000 that the people get yesterday. It finished before they get it. Because I'm sure some people trying to show $1,000 a week partner or a month partner. And they owe money where they have to borrow to help make up the bus here to go to work. To send children to school. And then you come making all these fake promises about after such and such. Every children going to be on PAD program. Right now, you only can go on the PAD program if you don't have fridge and stove in your house. Mr. Owens is a disgrace to our country and to our people. You come talking about mashing up country. Huh? What the hell you talking about? I don't want you to ever come back here, come say such nonsense and go and ask for some forgiveness.
Go on a false promise. On the things that we are putting back in the office. On the things that we are novice. On the better listen to this. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, we have to tell them promptly, cause when they win them a go dump way. Market you know you the people them really want to see a great leader who will talk to we. Put on the boat and go, they go walk to we. Yes, go march to we. Because we have some guy with them on a intention, leading the country in the wrong direction. That's why we come to make we own a selection. This we are gonna do when in call the election. Vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. So we are tell them promptly, people just vote them out, cause them not see we when we hungry. Vote them out from Kingston to country. Vote them out, cause when they win them a go dump way. We have to tell them